As you can see from that roof surface up there, folks, this is what they mean by down to the beams. A lot of these roofs out here really need to go down to the beams. And between you and I'm looking at these beams too. Some of them looks like they need to be replaced, but at least they're getting new boards up there. But sometimes you even have to pull the beams apart and install brand new beams just to make sure you're going to have a roof job that lasts for a number of years. Yes, this is Eustace, your independent, roving, favorite independent insurance roving. Well, let's see. I'm your favorite roving independent insurance agent and broker here in the state of New York. And, you know, hey, it's time to think about that maintenance, guys. Summer's coming and winter's not done. Take care. Hey, like and subscribe. You can always reach me at 718-489-2218 or by email at eustace@greavesinsurance.com. Talk to you soon. Peace.